Hello, my name is Joe Munson, and today I'm going to explain to you how to remove an old broken latch and install a new one. So in order to do that, you need to pop this little cap off. And that can usually be pretty easy, although sometimes pops off like that. This is a 332 Allen head. You need to pick up one of those. And there's a screw in there. And we're gonna just turn that screw. And you can see how it's gonna come off here, the nut. So now you can pull the latch. Comes with the screw. And then this part comes out the other side with the nut. Make sure you don't lose that nut. Now this is a good latch, of course, but if it wasn't, let's say it wasn't, get a good latch that's not broken. And you put the screw in it and put the driver in there and hold it in place. Just hold it like that. This is the other side. You're gonna pop that in there. Now you'll see it has a little receptacle. These two fit together like that. You can see how they fit together. So you want to make sure they fit together when you do it. And then put the nut in. And then screw in the screw. Until it's tight. You want to tighten it until it's the right amount of tightness that you desire, that you want. About like that. Could be maybe a little tighter. There we go. And then this cap just goes back on.